Hey guys, how's it going? Duty Rhino here. So this is the 2018 edition of Festival Essentials, okay? You've probably seen the original back in 2016. It's been doing so well. It's on nearly 30,000 views now, so if you viewed that one, thank you so much. I'm going to show you what I'm bringing this year and how much it all costs. This is going to be in no particular order because I'm just surrounded by stuff that I'm taking, okay? So we will start with this, the 10 litre water carrier. I got this from Poundland, it's Peak Trail, and this collapses and folds out into a massive 10 litre container. So you can either use this like we're going to use it to get water in the mornings, or you can use it to put a concoction of, you know, Coca-Cola, Disaronno, Smirnoff, anything, you know. You can use this as an alcohol container because obviously it's not made of glass. Okay, next up from Go Outdoors, but again they're only like £1 or £2. I'm going to say probably 2 for £1. Emergency ponchos, because you never know if it's going to rain or not. At Redden or Leeds, there's always likely to be a shower, and so there we go. I would highly recommend that you get yourselves some ponchos. You're probably going to have inflatable beds and things, so you're going to need a foot pump. This was literally reduced in Tesco's down to £2.50. The supermarkets are doing great prices right now for all your festival stuff, so don't worry about being last minute, because I understand like the festival's in 3 days. This video is probably a little bit late, but it is what it is, and I hope that this is still useful. But I've got these Cocoa Pops. They were £1 each. These are like cereal bars. Obviously this is what I'm going to use for food. Sticking with food, cheese savouries, of course, the staple of any festival, the Crawford's cheese savoury. Obviously, you know we love them on this channel, and they're £1 as well. I'm literally a child. I wanted something sweet to eat, so I'm taking some Barat fruit salad softies. Those were £1. You're gonna need to, this is just in no order at all, you're gonna need to hit those tent pegs in. So here we go. I've got one of these from Halfords, a rubber mallet. You can also use it for self-defense, of course, and it's £2 from Halfords. Myself, obviously, I'm filming lots of shit, so I had to get some batteries for my flip cameras. Those were £1 each from Poundworld, so I've got Poundland. So I've got a shit ton of batteries to record all the antics in the camp this year. I've got this Urban Escape. It's actually a pillow, micro pillow. I didn't go for an inflatable pillow this year because they always give me neck aches. So I've gone for an Urban Escape. This is from Halfords, and you can pick these up for £3. Okay, some socks. I love, it's really weird, whenever I camp at Reading or a festival, I like to get brand new socks. I'm literally not going to use these until that, like, I'm literally going to pull these out in the morning of the festival, put on some brand new socks, because obviously you're grimy, you know, you're unclean, you feel like, you know, a bit icky, and so it's nice to pull on something that is unworn and completely fresh. Wellies, here we go. So I've got some Dickies black wellies. Now, I don't know how much these normally cost. As you can see, like, they've got the tags on and stuff, they're brand new. But I was very fortunate. My mum literally shouted up the stairs the other morning. She was like, listen, I know you were looking for some footwear because I fucked my walking boots at Tough Mudder. So yeah, she was like, someone's selling some brand new Dickies wellies for £10 on Facebook. So I'm gonna have to put the wellies down as £10. You can definitely get wellies around for £10. So yeah, I've got my wellies for £10. I've also got this bag. It's got like wheels and shit, but it's like nice and quite large. And this is something I'm going to go for the drag approach this year instead of the carry approach, see how I get on. Hopefully the grass isn't too long. But this was £6.99 for this bag. Obviously you've got your normal ones, like this was like, we'll call this £1 from Boots, your Dio. All the little mini things from Superdrug. So you got like your little hair stuff, Listerine, and toothpaste. I believe these were 3 for £3. I think that's right, 3 for £3 there. One of these, this was £1. This is a emergency blanket, foil blanket to keep you warm at night. Got some booze. So I've opted for, this year I'll be drinking cans of Copperberg. Alright, this was £12 in Tesco for 12 cans. I've also got some Smirnoff cider from Asda, the passion fruit and lime cans for £10. Okay, so we've got these. Tent repair tape for 99p each. I got these from Cherry Lane Garden Centres. Now, I'm not going to use this for tent repair tape. I'm going to use this for like Edwards wine hands and things like that for the sesh party and stuff. Tape you guys' drinks to your hands and make you drink them. Oh, of course, the Batiste I've actually gone for my hair colour this year, so it's not like turn your hair white. So you've got Divine Dark Dry Shampoo, because obviously the showers won't be getting used that much. Have we got anything else? I think... Oh, of course, duh. Festival camping chair. You can pick them up for £6 in Tesco at the moment. Camping mattress, I cannot find. I bought one. It was reduced from £12 to £6 in Go Outdoors. I can't find it anywhere. So I will have to find that if I don't have to go pick up another one. Apparently they're selling for like a £5 in Tesco. So yeah, camping mattress. Obviously you have the camping bed option. So behind me you can see the old flag. You wouldn't recognise this from 2016 if you were there. It has been signed a little bit from when we were there in 2016, but we're taking this flag back. I've changed it. I've actually sharpied my hair colour from grey back to black. But yeah, we're taking this flag with us. It's the old school one. We want you to sign the shit out of that flag, okay? So if you see us at Reading, if you come to the camp or whatever, if it's not flying, we don't have a flagpole, which I know is a problem. If you have a flagpole that you would like to donate to the channel, that would be fucking quality. Hopefully they're selling flagpoles this year. But if not, we'll just have it with us. If we can't get up in the air, we'll just have it with us for you guys to sign. I've also got that canvas there, which my girlfriend made for me. Basically, I want you guys to take a picture with that if you come to the camp or the sesh party and stuff, and then tag me in it on Instagram or Twitter, wherever you post it, and I'll pick one at random after the festival to win some free merch, okay? But yeah, the Thursday night sesh party, everyone's invited. It'll be in Orange Camp. I'll be sort of like tweeting out, snapping whereabouts I am for the sesh party on the Thursday night. Everyone's invited. I know so many people have messaged me about it. Obviously, we've been planning this since November. It's very exciting, and I'm looking forward to see how crazy it gets. And yeah, all I can say is, you know, stay safe, obviously. Be responsible, but have a fucking awesome time. Oh, my phone is not on. Hang on. Oh, that's where it is. Lozzie's just texted me. Fucking, he's got my fucking inflatable mattress. Well, that's that mystery solved. I have no idea why he's got it, but Lozzie's got my inflatable mattress. Okay. Oh, and obviously a sleeping bag as well. Completely forgot about a sleeping bag. So yeah, sleeping bag probably about what, the tenner. But yeah, so the Thursday night sesh, everyone's invited. Please come. There's only one requirement for the Thursday night sesh, and that is that you are subscribed. So please, if you bring any friends, get them on their phones, get them on YouTube, get them subscribed, and we're just gonna have a great time. We're gonna have music. We're gonna try to do some like drinking games and stuff. We don't know how many people are gonna turn up. It's gonna get crazy. We're probably gonna go for a little bit of a roam into purple, into yellow and stuff, and pick up some more people, and probably finish in the silent arena. We don't know. We have no idea, but it's been planned since November. Basically, the idea was conceived in November, and it's just kind of like, I want to put something on for you guys, okay? Because there's never really anything on a Thursday at Reading, so we're putting that on for you guys. So just everyone just to meet, everyone to just fucking have a great time, have a good laugh, and yeah, get some great pictures and get drunk and get crazy and just have a fucking awesome time and make Reading 2018, regardless of the lineup, one to remember. This is the last piece of content, video-wise, I'll be doing on Reading, other than the vlog. Crazy. Listen, all jokes aside, which obviously I know I've gone hard on the jokes this year. Listen, if you're going to Reading or Leeds, I hope the weather is fantastic for both Reading and Leeds. I hope that if you go to Leeds or Reading, you have a fucking amazing time. I hope you absolutely love the music. I hope you discover new acts, new bands, new grime artists, new rap artists. That is the way that the festival is going. But hey, that's life. Things change, times change, and you have to, adapt and move with the times. But listen, whether you're going to Reading or Leeds, I hope you have a fucking incredible time. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. I love you all. Thank you all so much for the support that you've shown me this year. It has been phenomenal. You've taken me from, just under 4,000 subscribers to nearly 11,000 in the space of just a few months. This for me is my passion, making YouTube videos, making people laugh, entertaining people, and you've shown me that myself and Loz are more than capable of doing that. And from the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate it. You guys are fucking awesome, and you are. It's a cliche, but I don't give a shit. It's so true. You are making my dream come true, because you've catapulted me so much closer to my full-time career dream job than I was this time last year, and you've really made me realise that it can be a reality rather than just a dream. So thank you all so much. I fucking love you all. if you're a fan of the channel and you want to come and say hello, if you see me, do not fucking hesitate. Do not hesitate. I will not bite. Please come over. If you want a picture, I'll fucking take a picture of you. You want me to sign something, I'll sign something. If you want to come and say hello, I'll fucking say hello. If you want to chat about anything, I'll chat to you guys about what you want to chat about, okay? Because you've really given me so much this year, and I'd love to give back as much as possible. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed. And the next thing you'll see after this, I'm taking Monday off, guys. And Tuesday around 6:37, follow me on Twitter and Snapchat for the proper time. It'll be 6:30/7. We'll be going live for a few hours pre-Reading Festival podcast, which last year got crazy. I'm hoping this year, if we can get a couple of hundred people tuned in, that would mean the world. The most I've ever streamed to was 567, I think. If we can beat 560, I'll be the happiest man alive. But just anyone who's about, please tune in. And I'll see you on Wednesday. And if you're not on early bed, I'll see you on Thursday for the Thursday night sesh party. It's going to be fucking awesome. Let's make some memories. And yeah, just enjoy ourselves. All right, thank you so much again. I really fucking appreciate you. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to become a sponsor or buy some merch, it's all down below. Okay, that's it. I will see you on the stream before Reading, and then I'll see you at Reading Festival. Bye bye for now.